Hello friends, my name is Vaishali Ashok Lone. Today we are discuss about topic inactivation of the Arabinose operon. The introduction of the operon. The inducible enzyme is produced only when substance is the present in the environment. Active repressor plus inducer is equal to inactive repressor. Operon is the unit coordinate control of protein synthesis of operon gene and the structural gene. The unit of coordinate control of protein synthesis of operon gene and the structural gene. Operon gene is controlled by activity of operon and structural gene takes a part of the synthesis of the operon. It means by the structural gene will be the synthesized mRNA under the operational control of the operator gene. The operator gene in its turn under the control of the repressor molecule synthesized by the regulator gene, which is the not part of the operon. Thus the member of an operon are the transcribed. The coordinator is single long polycystonic mRNA molecules. The second point, arabinose operon. The arabinose operon is also called the ARA or ARA-BAD. Arabinose is the E. coli. The arabinose operon contains the structural gene ARA-B, ARA-A, ARA-D. The structural gene of the arabinose operon is the transcript from the common promoter into the single transcript to the mRNA. The arabinose operon contains the structural gene have this collection called as the ARA-BAD, which codon RB. The metabolism enzyme require the metabolism of the arabinose ARA-B ribolokinase, ARA-A isomerase, ARA-D epimerase. The produces these three genes catalyze conversion of the arabinose to and the intermediate of the pentose phosphate pathway. The structural gene of the arabinose operon are transcribed from the common promoter into the single transcript the mRNA. The expression of the arabinose operon controls the single units by the produce and regulatory gene ARA-C. The catabolism activator protein CAP complex. The regulator protein ARA-C is the sensitive to level of arabinose and play the dual role in both. Activator is represent in the arabinose and the repressor. It in the ARA-BAD. ARA-C operon not only control the expression of the ARA-BAD but also auto-regulate its own expression at ARA-C level. Next point is structure. The arabinose operon is the composed in structural gene and regulatory region including the operon region ARA-O1, ARA-O2 and the initiator region ARA-L1, ARA-L2. The structural gene ARA-B, ARA-A, ARA-D encodes enzyme of the arabinose catabolism. There is also the CA result in positive regulation of the ARA-BAD when the cell starve of the glucose. The regulatory gene ARA-C is located upstream of arabinose operon. And encoded arabinose respectively regulatory protein. The ARA-C, both ARA-C and ARA-BAD have the discrete promoter when RNA polymerase bind to initiate the transcription. ARA-BAD and ARA-C are the transcripted in the opposite direction from the ARA-BAD promoter. ARA-PBAD and the ARA-C promoter PC is respectively. Its function ARA-A encodes L-arabinose isomerase which catalyzes the isomerization between the arabinose and L-arabinose. ARA-B encodes the ribolokinase which catalyzes the phosphorylation of the L-ribulose from L-ribulose 5-phosphate. ARA-D encodes 5-ribulose 5-phosphate 4-epimerase with the catalyzed epimerization between L-arabinose 5-phosphate and D-oxylose 5-phosphate. The both ribosome 5-phosphate and D-oxylose 5-phosphate which links metabolism of the 5-carbon sugar to the 6-carbon sugar. The metabolism pathway L-arabinose intercellular action with the isomerase in the reversible reaction gives the ribulose from the action of the ribokinase. Give product ribulose 5p by the action of the 5-epimerase in the reaction from the xylulose 5p phosphate. The catabolism it's a reversible reaction and its product is L-ribulose. The L-ribulose reacts with enzyme ARA-B. Its function, the ribokinase, its state reaction, its product is L-ribulose 5-phosphate. L-ribulose 5-phosphate enzyme reacts with ARA-D. Its function epimerase. Its reversible reaction and its give product the D-oxylose 5-phosphate. Next point is the regulation. The arabinose system is not only under the control of the CAP and CAMP activator but also positively and negatively regulated through binding of ARA-C protein. ARA-C function are the homodimer which can control transcription of the ARA-BAD through the interaction with the operator and is the initiator region arabinose operon. Such ARA-C monomer is the composed two domain including the DNA binding domain and the dimerization domain. The dimerization domain is responsible for the arabinose binding. ARA-C undergoes the conformation change upon the arabinose binding in which it has the two distinct conformation. The formation of the purity determined by the binding of the allostatic inducer arabinose. ARA-C can also negatively autoregulate its own expression when the ARA-C becomes high. ARA-C synthesized in represent through binding of the dimeric ARA-C the operator region. The negative regulation the dimeric ARA-C act as a repressor. One monomer bind to the operator of the ARA-BAD gene. ARA-O2 another monomer bind to distinct DNA half side known as the ARA-L1. This leads to formation of the DNA loop. This orientation block RNA polymerase from the binding to the ARA-BAD promoter. Therefore, transcription of the structural gene ARA-BAD inhibited. The positively regulation of the ARA-BAD. The expression of the ARA-BAD operon activated in the substance absence of the glucose and the presence of the arabinose. When arabinose is present in both ARA-C and CAP work together the function of the activator via ARA-C. The ARA-C acts as activator in presence of the arabinose. X undergoes conformation change when the arabinose bind to dimensional domain of the ARA-C. The result ARA-C arabinose complex fall on from ARA-O2 and break DNA loop. Hence, it's more generally favorable arabinose bind to adjust one monomer bind to remaining monomer bind to ARA-L2 other wall binding bind to ARA-C to ARA-L2. The allostatic induced by the arabinose. One of the ARA-C monomer placed near to ARA-BAD promoter. In this, the configuration which helps the RNA polymerase to promoter to initial transcription via CAP and CMP catabolism repression. CAP acts as a transcriptional activator only the absence of the E. coli refer to sugar glucose. When the glucose are absent, high level CAP protein CAMP complex bind to CAP binding site between the ARA-L1 and ARA-O1, increasing the binding affinity of the ARA protein for the ARA-L2. There the promoting DNA polymerase bind at BAD promoter to switch on the expression of the ARA-BAD. Promoters who switch expression of the ARA-BAD required for the metabolizing L-arabinose. The autoregulation of the ARAC, the expression of the ARAC, the negatively regulated by the own protein product ARAC, the excess ARAC bind to operate to bind ARAC gene ARA-O1 at high ARAC level, which are the physically block the RNA high concentration. The use the protein expression system. The Arabinose operon has been the focus on research molecular biology since 1970 and has been investigated extensively, acts as a genetic, biochemical, physiological and the biochemical level. The Arabinose operon has been commonly used in protein expression system as the ARA-BAD promoter can be used the producing targeted expression under the tight regulation. By using the ARA-BAD promoter to the gene of the interest, the expression of the target gene can be slowly regulated by arabinose. For example, the PGLO plasmid contain a green fluorescence protein gene under the control of the PBAD promoter, allowing the GFP production of the induced arabinose. This is the topic. We get a message of all of operon transcription can be regulated, both activated and repression. The operon regulated the metabolism of the similar compounds such as sugar can be regulated in the quite different way. Thank you.